Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of checking new orders on your e-commerce site on Zebrabuzz. By the way, if you're unsure how to create your e-commerce store, please watch the video linked in the description on how to set up your e-commerce here on Zebrabuzz, with or without a website. Now let's proceed to see how to check orders now. On your dashboard, under e-commerce features, click E-commerce Store. It will take you to your e-commerce dashboard. Now, on the right-hand side of the dashboard, find the Orders menu and click it. This is where you'll see all the orders placed in your store. You will see the order status, the amount, the transaction ID, etc. Let's place a new order and then return to this order dashboard. Find and click Visit Store on the right side. You will then be taken to your store. What we have here is a demo store, and we have only one product list. But in a normal store, you will have many products listed. Now, let's click Buy Now, which is the button your store visitor will click to buy your product. If they are not logged in, they will be asked to log in to buy. After logging in, they will proceed to select one of the payment options to check out. In this example, we have selected Cash on Delivery. Now, the order has been placed successfully. Now, let's head back to our demo store to check the new order. On the store dashboard, scroll down and click Orders. You will now see the new order we have placed. The payment method is cash on delivery, as we selected. You can open the invoice, print it, etc. Going back to the store, let's review once again. Under Status, you will see that the order says Pending. Click it to see other options like Approved, Rejected, Shipped, and more. To approve the order, we will click on Approved. A message box will open. Let's send a message to thank our customer. Now, the status will update to Approved. This is how you mark a purchase as approved, rejected, completed, shipped, etc. This is it for today. Thanks for watching.